Dear audience of Atavatan TV channel, good evening. I'm drdowranorazgylyjow and welcome to our Turkmenistan weekly AI news program. Here are the latest updates from Turkmenistan's agenda in English. The Galkynyş payment system has been developed in Turkmenistan. In Turkmenistan, relevant work is being carried out to improve the quality and expand the range of banking services provided to clients. This was highlighted during a Cabinet of Ministers meeting held via a digital platform. As noted in the Atavatan news program, the State Bank for Foreign Economic Affairs of Turkmenistan has undertaken relevant work to introduce new banking methods, particularly the development of the Galkynyş payment system. This will help provide modern and high-quality banking services to institutions and individuals, expand their scope, and increase the efficiency of banking operations. The National Leader of the Turkmen people paid a working visit to the city of Arkadag. The National Leader of the Turkmen people, Chairman of the Halk Maslahati of Turkmenistan, and honored Elder Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov paid a working visit to the unparalleled city of Arkadag in the region. During the visit, the national leader familiarized himself with the design projects of social and industrial buildings planned for construction and renovation in the second phase of the city's development, as well as the layout of their designated locations. Later, the national leader met with the executives of South Korea's Korea Meditech Kombit Ltd, which has been operating successfully in Turkmenistan for many years, and the representative of Japan's Sumitomo Company in South Korea at the headquarters of the Charitable Foundation for Supporting Children in Need of Care, named after Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov. Meeting of the Turkmen-Turkish Economic Cooperation Committee to be held. The meeting of the Turkmen-Turkish Economic Cooperation Committee will be held from February 19 to 20 of this year. This was highlighted during the Cabinet of Ministers meeting conducted via a digital platform. As noted in the Atavatan news program, the upcoming session of the Intergovernmental Committee will discuss issues related to the further development of multifaceted relations between the two countries, particularly in trade, economic, and cultural humanitarian spheres. After hearing the report, the Honorable President emphasized that Turkmenistan maintains comprehensive cooperation with the Republic of Turkey, with effective development of trade and economic relations playing a key role in this partnership. Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan, Russia, Iran. Quadrilateral meeting. Representatives of the railway authorities of Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan, Russia, and Iran met in the city of Almaty, Kazakhstan, where they exchanged views on increasing the volume of cargo transportation along the north-south corridor. The two-day meeting in Almaty brought together representatives from Turkmenistan's Turkmen Demiryolları Agency, Kazakhstan's Kazakhstan Temirzoli Agency, Russia's Russian Railways Agency, and the relevant authority of the Islamic Republic of Iran. During the discussions, the results of cargo transportation through Kazakhstan's Bolashak border station were reviewed. In 2024, the volume of freight transported along this route reached 1.6 million. Construction of the Afghan section of the Tapi gas pipeline accelerates. The construction of the Afghan section of the Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Tapi gas pipeline is progressing at a rapid pace. Since the project's implementation began earlier last month in Afghanistan, 6 kilometers of pipeline have already been installed. The governor of Herat province, Maulavi Islam Jar, held a meeting to discuss the construction progress of the gas pipeline project in Afghanistan. During the meeting, a report on the project was presented. The governor emphasized the readiness to provide comprehensive support to accelerate the implementation of this major regional project. This project is expected to bring significant economic benefits to Afghanistan, creating 12,000 jobs and generating up to 1 billion in annual revenue. That's all for today's news. Thank you for joining us. For more updates, visit our website or tune in to our next broadcast. Until then, take care and goodbye.